Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing mochi kinjaku. This Japanese rice cake wrapped in seasoned aburage is a satisfying dish. Let me show you how to make it. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 2 pieces of aburage, 2 pieces of kirimochi, 60 cm of kampyo. For the soup, 1/2 teaspoon of dashi powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 cup of water. Step 1. Cut the kampyo into 50 cm length to create 4 strings. Soak them in water for 10 minutes, then drain thoroughly. Step 2. Pat the aburage with a paper towel to remove excess oil and cut it in half. Step 3. Cut the kirimochi in half. Step 4. Take a piece of aburage, gently spread it out, and insert the mochi. Securely close it using the kampyo string. Step 5. In a saucepan, combine dashi powder, soy sauce, mirin, and water. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Step 6. Once the soup has come to a boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer the assembled mochi kinjaku in the soup for 10 minutes. Place mochi kinjaku in a bowl and ladle the soup over them. I hope you enjoy this delicious mochi kinjaku. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free onigiri recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.